Hi everybody, welcome to another interesting video. Several birds can mimic sounds in human language. Parrots, mockingbirds, catbirds, brown thrasher are examples. A bird named poodle, a male African gray, is listed in the Guinness Book of World Records as having a vocabulary of more than 1,000 words. This video is about a brown long-tailed bird named Echo, which has learned how to mimic the shrieks and shrills of human babies. The screams coming from cage at Taronga Zoo, Sydney in Australia may sound like the cries of a human baby. Echo is a superb lyre bird. Lyre birds native to Australia were named after the harp-like instrument called lyre. Tail feathers resemble its strings, and also probably because of their unnatural singing abilities. Crying is just one of the many sounds this bird can replicate.